Google Bard, unleashing the power of AI in creative writing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In recent years, artificial intelligence has made tremendous strides in various fields, from healthcare to finance. One remarkable development in the realm of AI is Google's Bard AI, a groundbreaking technology designed to assist and inspire creative writers. With its ability to generate poetry, prose, and even compose songs, Bard AI is revolutionizing the creative writing process. In this video, we will explore the intriguing world of Bard AI, its capabilities, and its potential impact on the future of creative writing. First, let's see what Bard AI is. Bard AI is just a language model developed specifically to produce original prose. The image has been educated on various written works, from novels to song lyrics. The artificial intelligence project may generate many different types of literature, including fiction and poetry. The creation of Bard AI represents a major milestone in the growth of AI word embedding and may usher in a new era in creative writing. Bard AI is a new language model developed by Google as part of its Code Red initiative aimed at advancing the state of AI. The main objective of Bard AI is to improve the language and creativity of AI and provide a platform for the generation of creative writing. Unlike traditional language models, Bard AI has been designed to not only understand language but also generate new and unique text. The AI model has been trained to create writing that is not only grammatically correct but also emotionally impactful. The algorithm also considers the surrounding information to provide content that is pertinent to the discussion at hand. This implies the AI model may generate material that is fresh, stimulating, and emotionally resonant. It's an excellent resource for authors stuck for ideas. By interacting with Bard AI, writers can request specific content or even receive spontaneous suggestions to fuel their imagination. The AI system can generate creative prompts, help with brainstorming ideas, or even provide entire stanzas or paragraphs that writers can build upon. This collaborative process between human writers and AI technology results in a dynamic and highly productive creative experience. Bard AI not only assists writers but also pushes the boundaries of creative expression. It can help authors experiment with different styles, genres, and tones, empowering them to explore uncharted territories in their writing. Whether it's crafting an avant-garde poem or composing lyrics for a specific musical genre, Bard AI offers a vast repertoire of possibilities. Moreover, Bard AI serves as a valuable resource for aspiring writers seeking to hone their skills. By analyzing the works of famous authors and poets, Bard AI can provide insights into literary techniques, patterns, and structures, acting as a virtual mentor and guide. Now, let's take a look at a few potential uses of Bard AI. Content creation. One of the most exciting potential uses of Bard AI is in content creation. The AI system can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and other written content with ease. This could help businesses to automate their content creation process and save valuable time and resources. Additionally, the AI system's ability to understand context and generate emotionally impactful text makes it ideal for use in advertising and marketing. Screenwriting. Bard AI can also be used in screenwriting, helping writers generate ideas for their next big movie or TV show. The AI system's ability to understand language and generate emotionally impactful text makes it ideal for use in this field. Songwriting. Bard AI can also be used in songwriting, helping musicians and songwriters generate ideas for their next hit. The AI system's ability to generate text that is both grammatically correct and emotionally impactful makes it ideal for use in this field. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Bard AI can also be used in chatbots and virtual assistants, helping these systems understand and respond to human language more effectively. This could make these systems more helpful and user-friendly, making them ideal for use in customer service and support. Education and language learning. Bard AI can also be used in education and language learning. The AI system's ability to generate text that is grammatically correct and emotionally impactful makes it ideal for use in language learning applications, helping students to learn the language more engagingly and effectively. Now, let's see some of the ethical considerations and challenges of Bard AI. As with any AI technology, the development and deployment of Google Bard AI come with ethical considerations and challenges. One of the key concerns is the potential for AI-generated content to blur the line between originality and plagiarism. Striking a balance between AI assistance and acknowledging human creativity is crucial to preserve the integrity and ownership of artistic works. Furthermore, biases present in the training data can inadvertently influence the output of the AI model. Efforts must be made to address and mitigate biases to ensure fair and inclusive storytelling. Transparency in the development process and continuous monitoring are essential to build trust and accountability. What can be the future of Bard AI? The potential impact of Bard AI on the future of creative writing is vast. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect more sophisticated and nuanced content generation. Writers will increasingly rely on AI tools like Bard AI to enhance their creative process, explore new ideas, and transcend creative boundaries. However, it is important to remember that the essence of creative writing lies in the human experience. While AI can inspire and support writers, it is the human mind and imagination that provide the true spark of creativity. In conclusion, Google Bard is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about creative writing. Its ability to generate poetry, song lyrics, and other forms of writing is impressive, and its applications are wide-ranging. With Bard as your creative collaborator, the possibilities are endless. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.